In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs pretty. We're going to keep it simple and effective by focusing on three things: better fonts, a clear visual hierarchy, and clean white space. These small changes make a big difference, and they're all built right into Google Docs. First, let's upgrade your fonts. Google Docs includes some great-looking options that instantly elevate your document. For a modern, clean feel, try Poppins. If you want a professional and stylish vibe, Montserrat is a solid choice. For a more classic look, Laura is an elegant serif, and Merriweather is excellent for long-form reading. If you need classy headings, Playfair Display really shines, while Nunito gives a soft, friendly tone. Use one font for your headings and a different complementary font for your body text. For example, pair Playfair Display for headings with Laura or Merriweather for the body, or use Poppins for headings with Nunito for body text. To apply a font, select your text, open the font menu at the top, and choose the font you want. Keep it to 2 fonts total so your document feels cohesive, not chaotic. Next, create a visual hierarchy so readers instantly understand what's most important. Think of it like a roadmap. Your main title should stand out at about 20 to 24 points, section headings around 14 to 16 points, and your regular text at 11 to 12 points. Don't manually style everything each time. Use the built-in styles for consistency. Select your document title, open the Styles menu, and choose Heading 1. If you want it a bit bigger or bolder, adjust it, then click the arrow next to Heading 1 and choose Update Heading 1 to match. Do the same with Heading 2 for section headings and Heading 3 for subheadings. Once your styles are set, you can apply them throughout the document with one click, keeping everything uniform and easy to scan. Finally, increase white space to make your document breathe. Go to Format, then Line and Paragraph Spacing. Set your line spacing to 1.15 or 1.5. Both options look clean and readable. Then choose Add Space after paragraph so there's automatic separation between paragraphs. This is better than pressing Enter twice because it keeps spacing consistent across the entire document. White space reduces visual clutter, guides the eye, and makes your content feel polished. That's it. Better fonts, a clear hierarchy, and extra white space. Use these three moves and your Google Docs will look instantly more professional and easier to read.